Sanibona bafethu uvana. I'm sure abantu abaningi sebezwile ke indaba ngocoach obekade coach iKaizer Chiefs because right now akasayi coach. Kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs is set to announce that they have parted ways with their head coach Nasreddine Nabi. Benikhumbula kahle ke ucoach lo kwaphuma indaba isizophela nje isizini yala season 2 coach ngenzeka ahambe iKaizer Chiefs, but ke iKaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukuthi imgcine aqhubeke coach iKaizer Chiefs because ucoach wahluleka ukuthi angene ku top 8, but wakwazi ukuthi abawinise iNedbank beshaye iOrlando Pirates kwifinal. Baba nayo indebe baqala isizini naye ucoach, but ke ucoach waba khona inkinga la abakhona kwamele ahambe ayele eTunisia yabo ayohlala nomndeni wakhe, kwaba khona iaccident yayikhona kumndeni wakhe yabo. Kwaba khona ucoach ozobamba iqembu leKaizer Chiefs kwakubani kwi-assistant coach yakhe uNasreddine Nabi. Le assistant coach yakhe uNasreddine Nabi uyenza iKaizer Chiefs uthi idlale kahle, yenza iKaizer Chiefs uthi ithole ama-point, yenza iKaizer Chiefs the reason why iKaizer Chiefs ishisa nje kule season is because of lo. So uNabi njengoba right now ebuyile, uNabi igame yokuqala yakhe ebuyile udlale against iMamelodi Sundowns. Igame iSundowns yena bafethu nayibona iSundowns iKaizer Chiefs yazama mfuqamanga. iKaizer Chiefs le game leyana kwakuyiyona team eyibetha ngempela, kwakuyiyona team eyideserve ukuthi iwine le game, but ke abakwazanga ukuyiwina. Kwakuyimatch yakhe yokuqala uNabi ebuyile lapho ecoach iKaizer Chiefs. Kwathi ke imatch yesibili siyibonile bafethu ade bedlala against iSkokono United. There were many instances lapho sibone khona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs bekumele la iqalisa abanye abadlali bengakwazi ukuthi bayiwine. There were many players abebe off kule game le iKaizer Chiefs against iSkokono United. Sibonile iKaizer Chiefs ishawe ngo 3-1. So namhlanje kuphume nje umbiko kuthiwa ucoach ngenzeka ahambe ngempela. I'm sure ama fans asathukile because kusalinde ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs iannounce lo mbiko lo ukuthi ngabe uyiqiniso noma wamampunge. But ke indaba zikhishwe SABC siyawazi ukuthi ujwayele ukukhipha vele indaba eziyiqiniso. Kodwa ke nayi into mina ade ngifuna ukuyibuza, ingabe njoba ezohamba ucoach Nabi kwiKaizer Chiefs, ingabe ucoach uzosala, ngabe uassistant coach wakhe lo ade mbambelile? Because uma usubheke irecord lakhe uassistant coach even njalo ucoach Nabi mengekho lo coach lo assistant coach uyakwazi ukuthi ayibambe iKaizer Chiefs, uyakwazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ayiwinise ama-substitute awenzayo, abadlali abaqalisayo, indlela adlala ngakhona uyakwazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ayiwinise. Ingabe lo coach lo uyena yini ozoba ucoach noma bakhona abanye ucoach abasazolanda? Yabo, for me I think kungaba right for iKaizer Chiefs usiqhubeke naye lo coach lo. Yabo, I'm sure abantu abaningi bangangibuzi why uvana sho njalo, because uma usubheke lo coach lo vele usesebenzisana nabadlali beKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, useyabazi vele abadlali beKaizer Chiefs. Ukwisizini yakhe yesibili. Yabo, he knows these players. And njalo menikeza opportunity ukuthi abadlalisi uyabadlalisa, uyakwazi ukuyiwinisa team. So lo coach lo uyena kumele abuye aqhubeka ukulanda omunye ucoach right now. Ukulanda omunye ucoach right now ozodestabilize i-team esiyakhe ucoach Nabi. Yabo, because ucoach Nabi beyakha naye lo coach lo le team, so uzodestabilize yonke lonto. So ucoach okumele aqhubeke for me ngabe uyena lo mjida lo, because uyena okwazi ukuyiwinisa iKaizer Chiefs. And I'm sure ama fans eKaizer Chiefs angivumela ngale nto ngisho right now. Ucoach okumele aqhubeke uyena lo, not ucoach Nabi. Vele ucoach Nabi vele besihamba, not ucoach omusha. Mhlambe ke mekufika ucoach omusha, ngafika ucoach omusha right, maybe uPeter Mosimane. Yabo, ama fans angajabula ukuthola uPeter Mosimane, but I don't think leyo ngaba ideal ezophumelela because siyazi history ya Peter Mosimane neKaizer Chiefs. But ke imali yakhuluma iyona kuphela into ekhulumayo emhlabeni, so we'll never know. We might see Peter Mosimane coaching iKaizer Chiefs, but ke asas. But for me, the only thing I am saying, I think this guy can coach iKaizer Chiefs. Ngangitshela ama comments lapho uma uyifinya iKaizer Chiefs, do you think he can take over umsebenzi kaNabi? Do you think angenza ngcono kunoNabi? Do you think izinto ingalunga?